Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 50. Carbon 4 oxide in air can be absorbed by passing it through A. Alkaline paragonal, B. Concentrated sodium hydroxide, C. Concentrated tetrasulfate 6 acid, and D. Ethanol, and E. Fused calcium chloride. Now, carbon dioxide CO2 is actually absorbed or is generally absorbed by alkalis. That's alkali solution. So generally, alkali solution will absorb what carbon dioxide from any place readily. But then the alkali solution that will readily absorb carbon dioxide from the air is alkaline pyrogalol. Alkaline pyrogalol. Now you can see option B. Option B says concentrated sodium hydroxide. Yes, sodium hydroxide is capable of absorbing CO2, but then it is not capable of absorbing what CO2 from the air as alkaline what pyrogalol. Alkaline pyrogalol is the most suitable for absorbing carbon 4 oxide, which is CO2 from the air. When air is passed over alkaline pyrogalol, either in order to prepare nitrogen, you can prepare nitrogen or oxygen from the atmosphere. Now once it is passed through alkaline pyrogalol, carbon 4 oxide will be trapped in the entire carbon 4 oxide in the air will be trapped by this alkaline pyrogalol. So alkaline pyrogalol is more suitable for absorbing carbon 4 oxide from the air. Now concentrated tetrasulfate 6 acid and fused calcium chloride are drying agents. These are drying agents. So the answer is A, alkaline pyrogalol. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.